In this video we will know about the important birth defects. Down syndrome. A patient with Down syndrome has an extra copy of chromosome number 21. That's why it is also called a trisomy 21. Symptoms: newborn with Down syndrome has flat broad face, oblique palpebral fissure, single seminal crease, intellectual disability. Trisomy 18, it is also called Edwards syndrome. Newborn has 47 chromosomes with an extra copy of chromosome number 18. Symptoms: low set ears, small mouth, deficient mandible, that is a condition called as micronatia, flexed hands. The radius and ulna are missing or underdeveloped. Trisomy 13, it is also called as Patau syndrome. Patient has 47 chromosomes with an extra copy of chromosome 13. Symptoms include bilateral cleft lips, a sloping forehead, anophthalmia. It means the one or both eyes are missing. Microcephaly. It means a small head. Newborns suffer severe intellectual disabilities. Turner syndrome, it is also called monosomy X. It is present in newborn females because a copy of X chromosome is missing. The newborn has 45 chromosomes. Girls with Turner syndrome may have the loose skin at the posterior of the neck caused by the remains of a cystic hygroma, fluid-filled cyst. The short neck, misformed ears, swellings in the hands and feet because of lymphedema. At 6 years of age, the webbed neck is prominent and the nipples are widely spaced with a broad chest.